How to delete Reels watch history on Instagram. So if you are looking for any video that help you to delete Reels watch history on Instagram, then don't become fool, because Instagram does not provide any tool or feature that help us to delete the Reels watch history. Even if you want to view the Reels watch history on Instagram, then we won't, because when you proceed towards the profile and select the three line icon at the top right, and once you're on the settings and activity page, if you see your activity, here is no any watch history of Reels option. Also what you can do is, when you see the account history and search for the update type at the top right, here is no any Reels option. There is only the option of account created by your email and many more, but not Reels. So on the account history also we cannot view the Reels watch history. Even on your activity also you are not able to view it. So that means we cannot view our Reels watch history also, and we cannot delete those Reels watch history on Instagram as well. So I hope this video was informative. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button and share it to your friends. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel.